Just imagine. Copy and paste a text, and you can earn $150. Copy and paste another, and your earnings can reach over $180 per day effortlessly. Sounds too good to be true? Stay tuned as I walk you through the entire process step by step. Like this video, and let's dive in. First, head over to Akool.com. This tool will help us set up the copy and paste method to make money online. Keep the Akool web page open, as we'll be coming back to it soon. Next, visit VidIQ.com. VidIQ is a powerful keyword research tool designed for YouTube. Sign up for free and log in. Once inside, click on Keywords and search for JavaBurn. JavaBurn is a weight loss product with massive demand. Thousands of people search for it daily, which presents a huge opportunity for us to make money simply by promoting it. Now, let's move on to ClickBank.com. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace where you can find a variety of products to promote. JavaBurn is listed on ClickBank, making it our perfect choice. If ClickBank isn't available in your country, search YouTube for methods to create an account. Once you have an account, log in and navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Search for JavaBurn, and you'll see it has a gravity score of over 300, which indicates high sales potential. Promoting this offer can earn you close to $150 per sale, plus $38 in recurring revenue, making it possible to earn at least $180 daily with just one successful referral. To start promoting, click the Promote button next to the JavaBurn offer, enter your ClickBank nickname, and generate your unique affiliate link. Copy this link, as we'll use it for promotions. Now, return to Akool AI to create a promotional video for JavaBurn. Inside Akool, hover over the platform options and select Realistic Avatar. Click Get Started, choose a pre-made template, and adjust it for YouTube Shorts by setting the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now, we need a script for our video. Go to YouTube, search for JavaBurn reviews, and find a high-view video. Then install the YT Scribe Chrome extension, which will transcribe the video for you. Copy the transcript and paste it into ChatGPT with a prompt to rewrite it in a unique way while keeping the tone and details intact. Once ChatGPT generates a new script, review and refine it as needed. Copy the final script and paste it into Akool's text box to generate a voiceover. You can choose between different voice options, including realistic AI voices. Before exporting the video, add a disclaimer stating that the content is AI-generated. To do this, zoom in on the timeline, add a black background for 3 seconds, and insert a text overlay that reads, "This review video is AI-generated." Adjust the text size and layout for a professional look. Now click Generate Premium Results and select either 1080p or 4K resolution. After processing, your video will be ready for download. If you want to expand your reach, Akool also allows you to translate your video into different languages. Simply upload the video, select the target language, such as Hindi for the Indian market, and generate the translated version. This feature allows you to tap into international audiences and increase your potential earnings. Now that we have our video, it's time to make money. There are 2 main ways to promote it. The first method is to upload it to a new YouTube channel. Optimize your video by using a compelling title, which you can generate using ChatGPT, and add an engaging description that includes your ClickBank affiliate link. Use Canva to create an eye-catching thumbnail and VidIQ to find the best tags for SEO. Publish the video and start getting views organically. The second method is much faster. Use Fiverr to find YouTubers who offer to upload videos on their channels. Search for Upload Video on My Channel and hire a creator with a good following. They will publish your video along with your affiliate link, helping you generate commissions much quicker than the organic method. That's it. This is a simple copy-paste method to earn up to $180 per day using AI tools and affiliate marketing. Try it out and start making money today.